Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Readfi token. Now the Readfi token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They're doing extremely well, just opened up this pre-sale I think about, looks like 5 hours ago, 4 hours ago. They've already passed their soft cap and they still have well over 3 days left of this pre-sale. I'm going to let you guys know how you can get this token before and or during and after the pre-sale, and we're going to go over the info on this token in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Readfi token. So it's trending #1 right now on PinkSale. Ticker symbol is RDF. Readfi is the name of the token, 18 decimal places. So they're having a public pre-sale right now, just started about 4 or 5 hours ago. They already have 332 different investors contribute to this pre-sale. So soft cap was set at 200 BNB, and they've already sold 350.27 BNB. So they're on their way to doubling their soft cap just within the first few hours or so, and they still have well over 3 days left of this pre-sale. So they're doing amazing right now. I'm going to guess that this pre-sale goes on to be in the thousands of BNB. I've seen tokens do over 10,000 BNB, and I'm sure this one will get somewhere close. I mean, that's my guess. I have no idea. But anyways, it's off to an amazing start. Still trending #1. Actually, now it's #2. But yeah, so they have a full audit on here. So they were audited by Contract Checker, and you can view the PDF of that on PinkSale. They also have a full KYC, which means their team was doxed to Contract Checker to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. And they also have the Seifu badge, and that's by Contract Checker as well, and you can view the PDF of that. So all sorts of good security measures. So there's a total supply of 100 million tokens, 10 million for pre-sale, 5.88 million for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $242,000. So this will be going over to PancakeSwap after the pre-sale is done. If you missed the pre-sale, you know, you're not a subscriber, you didn't see this video, well, first of all, hit subscribe. Second of all, yeah, this token will be going over to PancakeSwap shortly after the pre-sale is over, and liquidity is locked for 3,650 days, so basically 10 years this token's locked for, so more security there. So according to their token metrics pie chart, 5.88% of the tokens go to liquidity, 10% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 75.5% of the tokens are under Seifu lock, and only 8.5% of the tokens are unlocked. So there is an embedded YouTube video trailer that you could watch on PinkSale. It's called the Readfi trailer. They also have a Twitter and a Telegram listed on PinkSale here. So their Telegram, or sorry, their Twitter is at Readfi Global, and they have 21,500 Twitter followers. So they're doing amazing. It says, special thanks to our partner MEXC Global for this great opportunity. And it says MEXC Global is thrilled to announce that RDF will be listed soon. So if you want to get this token on the best exchange, MEXC Global is one of the best exchanges. And you know, put your tokens in there afterwards. I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. Also, if you're viewing this video way late, first of all, hit subscribe. Second of all, if you want to buy this token instead of on PancakeSwap, if you missed the pre-sale, you can just go right through that MEXC referral code down there. Fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search RDF, and then you will find the token on there when it is listed, which it will be soon, it says. So probably, I would guess, shortly after the pre-sale's over. So the pre-sale's over in about 3.5 days. So I would give it about, 5 days or so, maybe 5 days to a week. It should be listed on MEXC Global. So they've already made the announcement on MEXC Global's Twitter, and basically Readfi just retweeted it. So yeah, if you go to their official webpage, readfi.io, that's where you're going to find most of the information here. They have their full white paper as well, which is going to have even more info. They have a Medium where you can read articles there. So on their webpage, they have features section, application, metaverse, NFT marketplace, roadmap, our vision, and team section. So it says, welcome to the Readfi environment. The Readfi project is determined to rehabilitate the blockchain community and devote some of their daily time to reading and encourage its users to read daily through the read to earn mechanism. So this is like if you had like a Kindle Fire or whatever it's called, and you were just reading, except that you're like earning crypto while you're reading. I mean, why not? The Readfi project intends to use all of its power to integrate reading and today's virtual world, to integrate reading into today's virtual world, so you can read in the metaverse. Read to earn software and metaverse library projects are some of the future plans of this project. So yeah, basically they're creating everything into earning tokens. Like, so you could run to earn, you could swim to earn, ride your bike to earn, sleep to earn, I've seen, rest to earn, listen to earn with your music, all sorts of stuff. And now we got read to earn, right? So this is just joining the trend. So SocialFi, Readfi is a metaverse lifestyle app with built-in cultural relationships. And SocialFi, it says earn with reference, invite your friends to read events and earn crypto. Read to earn, users equip themselves with glasses, NFTs, so just like the step and shoe NFTs. And then you read books for a chance to earn tokens. And social development, Readfi project is the first in the blockchain universe to have been developed on a platform where people can develop and gain culturally. So then they have the metaverse implementation, and then they also have developing technology. While Readfi aims to lead many people to more cultural lifestyle and connect them to the metaverse universe, it simultaneously adheres to the SocialFi direction of Web3 and metaverse content. So they have tons of partners on here, including MEXC Global. Then they've been seen in the news a whole bunch of times. It says get on Google Play. It's got a link. I'm not sure if you can get it yet or if it's the beta version, but they have a link on their webpage. They show you what the metaverse stuff looks like. They show you what the glasses, NFTs looks like. They kind of look like trading cards, and you can get a uncommon, rare, epic, or legendary one. And then they have a gigantic roadmap of when they're coming out with the NFTs and the music project they're having, metaverse stuff. They're going to be cross-chain eventually. They're going to have a DAO. Authors Fund program, tons of stuff in this ecosystem here. Their team is somewhat doxed on here as well. I mean, they've already been KYC'd too as well, so that's good. Yeah, check this all out. Check it out on Pink Sale. You still have over 3 days left to go get in on this if you want to. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.